this crystal. Let's not miss my lag. Oh shoot. What a beautiful day, guys. Oh, let's go. Okay. Let's explore here. No, this is super dark. Yeah. So weird. Whoa. The wind is so loud. Super dark, guys. Super dark. It's super dark. It's nothing.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Coombe County, southwestern Granville County, northeastern Orange County, north central Wake County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado overfly 8 miles northeast of Hillsboro, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. 2-inch diameter hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour are also likely with this storm. Locations impacted include Bahama, Durham, Corbin. This includes Interstate 85 between exits 170 and 184. This includes Interstate 540 between exits 2 and 11. This includes the Durham Freeway between exits 6 and 16. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather to the nearest law enforcement agency and ask them to relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Raleigh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, Orange, and Wake.
That is so scary. I've never seen that tornado. Open the card. Oh no, I cannot push it. Oh my god, okay. A large tornado. I just bumped on the tree. A tornado. Oh, it's gonna hit the donkey. Wait, wait. Oh my god. A tornado just hit. It is getting closer at me. You guys, we have a light. Where's the light? Wait. What? A tornado. Hey, it's getting closer. It's getting closer. Need to run. Let's fall off the board. Oh my god. This is like a twister. Is that a light? We need to get that light. What's that light doing? Oh. Stop now. Wow. We're gonna suck in. The tornado. Oh, they got sucked up by the tornado. No, they got sucked by a tornado. Ooh. Oh. That's scary. The clouds are okay now. Tornado. Ooh. That's scary. Welcome to Tornado Alley 2. What's a Tornado Alley 2? What the? Picking up. Why they always pick this car? They think there's a protection, but they got sucked up by the tornado. My lag. La la la. Wow. Wow. Whoa, this is like the same town, guys. Same town. Okay. Let's go. Hey. EF5 tornado. Oh my god. No, the water's on. Excuse me. Whoa. I'm driving properly. Guys. Hey guys, we're not gonna go back. We're gonna go back. Let's watch the tornado, guys. I'm far away. He's not gonna hit here. We're gonna hit there. Let's watch a tornado. It's a tornado. Tornado like be like. Oh my god. A scary tornado. There's a cloud. Oh, it's getting sunny day. What about let's now we have to follow them. When you say E5 tornado, EF5 tornado? No. Where's the plane? Where's the tornado? EF5 tornado. The tornado is moving fast. It's moving fast.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Durham County, southwestern Granville County, northeastern Orange County, north central Wake County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado overfly 8 miles northeast of Hillsborough, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. 2-inch diameter hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour are also likely with this storm. Locations impacted include Bahama, Drum, Gorman. This includes Interstate 85 between exits 170 and 184. This includes Interstate 540 between exits